How to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later issue on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this error, we have got you covered. This error can happen because of software glitches, hardware problems, or after an iOS update. So first try restarting your iPhone. For this you can press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. After restarting, try setting up Face ID again. Next thing, make sure your iPhone is running to the latest iOS. For this, head over to Device Settings, go to General, then tap on Software Update. Make sure to tap on Install for any available updates. For the next solution, head to the previous page of settings and search for the Face ID and passcode. This might ask you for your passcode. Once you do so, you will see different options of Face ID and passcode. Scroll down a bit and then you will see the option of Reset Face ID. Tap on it and try setting it up again. Face ID uses the True Depth camera system. Make sure nothing is blocking the front camera like dirt, screen protectors or cases. This won't delete your data but reset the preferences. However, if this does not work, head back to your general and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and this should probably help. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.